Hello everyone, welcome to Lane Guitar, myself Varun. In this video I am playing a tutorial for the song Povukkal Olindhirukkum from the Tamil movie. So I hope you can learn this song from my video. So happy learning. So the note will start from E, first string 12th position, which is E. So this is the note from which we start. Povukkal. So three notes are coming: E, D, C. Povukkal olindhirukkum. So E, D and C. E, all these three notes are in the first string position, 12th fret, 10th fret, 8th fret. So 12th fret is E, 10th fret is D and 8th fret is C. Povukkal olindhirukkum. So this is how we play this Pallavi part. Povukkal olindhirukkum. And next part is so four notes are coming, three notes are coming and four strike. This is B, C, D and C. All these notes are in the first string. So 7th fret, 8th fret, 10th fret and 8th fret. So the notes are B, C, D, C. So if we are playing this all together, it will be this is Adishayam. This is the first part. Adishayam. So Adishayam is actually in C, that is 8th fret. Adi, 2 strike at C. Adishayam. Adishayam. And this Yam, that is playing in the same first string, but the position is 5th and 3rd fret. 5th fret and 3rd fret, that is 1 strike, 2 notes. See. So this is A and G. Notes are A and G. If you are playing this, it will be so these are the notes. Povukkal olindhirukkum. Adishayam. And again we are playing that. And in second part, Adishayam, we will play it here. Adishayam. The C itself, that is B and C. And next is lyrics I don't remember. So next part is like and for that the notes are in the 13th fret, 12th, 10th and 8th fret. Remember, all these notes are played in the first string, 13, 12, 10 and 8th fret, and the notes are F, E, D, C. So 3 strike at F. And this kate is 1 strike, 2 notes, that is D and C. And next is, so up to this we learned. Next one is, and next is from this C move towards F, then G. So C, F, G. And this is E and D. So I am displaying all the notes in the video itself, so you can learn it easily. And next is, அதிசயமே அறிந்திருக்கும் நீ என் தென்னதிசயம். Next is அதிசயமே, and for this அதிசயமே it is A, C, D. அதிசயமே G, G, C, D. அதிசயமே அறிந்திருக்கும் நீ எந்தன் அதிசயம். And this is D and E. And next part is, this is very easy, only 4 notes are coming. So 4 notes are B, C, D, E. All notes are played in the first string, so no need of any confusions. So B, C, D, E. So that is B and C. 3 strike at C. B, C, C. Na 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 na. So that is B, C, C, E, D, C. Again. Three times we are playing that pattern. La 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 la. You can see that. And again same part. So this is all about the Pallavi part. Hope you can learn from this video. Thank you.